The journey of Sweden's JAS-39 Gripen fighter jet began amidst a chorus of skepticism. Many doubted Sweden's capacity to develop a world-class combat aircraft. Critics questioned whether a country with limited economic scale could rival those from the United States, Russia, or larger European consortiums. The decision to opt for a single-engine design was viewed by some as a compromise in survivability and performance. Early setbacks like the crash of the first Gripen prototype in February 1989 amplified doubts. Overcoming this negative publicity and technical challenges became a crucial early test for the Saab development team. The prevailing attitude was that cutting-edge fighter aircraft development was an exclusive club for superpowers. The idea that Sweden could independently design, develop, and manufacture a multi-role fighter was, for many, a far-fetched notion. The Gripen had to prove itself against these ingrained perceptions. The impetus for the JAS-39 Gripen program was deeply rooted in Sweden's policy of neutrality and commitment to a strong, independent defense capability. Sweden needed an aircraft that could perform diverse missions effectively without the need for multiple specialized platforms. This approach aimed to maximize operational flexibility and cost efficiency. The aircraft had to be capable of operating from dispersed road bases, enhancing survivability against a surprise attack. Saab took the lead as the prime contractor, responsible for the airframe, systems integration, and overall program management. Volvo Aero developed the RM12 engine, a derivative of the General Electric F404, providing reliable power. Ericsson Microwave Systems contributed its expertise in radar technology, developing the advanced PS-05A radar. The Swedish Defence Materiel Administration, FMV, played a crucial role in defining requirements and overseeing development. The political and industrial context within Sweden was highly supportive of the Gripen program. The success of earlier Saab fighters like the Draken and Viggen provided a strong foundation of experience and confidence. The Gripen program symbolized Swedish ingenuity and determination to maintain its independent defense posture. One of the Gripen's standout features was its advanced aerodynamic design. The delta wing combined with canards provided excellent agility and high maneuverability. The fly-by-wire flight control system managed this inherently unstable but highly maneuverable design. The Gripen was a pioneer in avionics and sensor fusion, featuring a highly integrated digital cockpit and sophisticated data links. The choice of the Volvo RM12 engine, based on the General Electric F404 turbofan, contributed to the Gripen's lower operational costs and easier maintenance. The RM12 provided a good balance of performance, dependability, and affordability. The Gripen's design for ease of maintenance and rapid turnaround times was crucial for Swedish doctrine. Features like easily accessible maintenance panels and modular component design allowed for quick refueling and rearming. The Gripen can reportedly be turned around in as little as 10 minutes for air-to-air missions. The successful introduction of the Gripen CD variant into the Swedish Air Force marked a pivotal moment. The Gripen CD quickly proved to be a reliable and effective platform, fulfilling its multi-role promise. Its advanced avionics, user-friendly cockpit, and agile performance were well received by the Swedish Air Force personnel. The Gripen's performance in international exercises began to turn heads and silence many of its earlier critics. In exercises like Red Flag in the United States, Swedish Gripen pilots showcased the aircraft's ability to achieve favorable engagement outcomes. Early export successes for the Gripen CD variant further solidified its growing reputation. Countries like the Czech Republic, Hungary, and South Africa chose the Gripen after rigorous evaluation. The Gripen's lower acquisition and operational costs made it an attractive option. Thailand also became an early operator of the CD version. The operational record of the Gripen CD gradually dismantled the initial skepticism. The narrative shifted from one of doubt to one of respect for Sweden's achievement. In May 2025, the Royal Thai Air Force selected the Swedish JAS-39 Gripen EF fighter jets over the American F-16 Block 70/72. This decision came despite considerable lobbying efforts from the United States. The initial procurement involves an order for 4 advanced Gripen EF aircraft with a total projected fleet of 12. The Royal Thai Air Force articulated that the Gripen EF better aligns with their operational doctrine and strategic necessities. The Gripen EF's advanced sensor suite, electronic warfare capabilities, and network-centric design likely played key roles. The package includes advanced weaponry such as the Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile. Thailand already operates a fleet of older Gripen CD models, building upon existing familiarity and infrastructure. The significance of Thailand's choice extends beyond the immediate contract. It serves as a strong endorsement of the Gripen EF platform on the competitive international stage. This decision may influence other nations in Southeast Asia and beyond. The deal, valued at approximately $582 million for the initial batch, awaits final budget approval. Despite some domestic scrutiny, the Royal Thai Air Force's preference for the Gripen EF indicates a strong belief in its long-term value. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has brought renewed attention to the capabilities of various Western combat aircraft, and the Gripen has emerged as a particularly interesting option. The Royal United Services Institute has labeled the Gripen as potentially the most suitable Western-manufactured combat jet for Ukraine's specific operational circumstances. The Gripen's design philosophy emphasizes operation from dispersed, austere bases and effectiveness in low-level air superiority tactics. Its ability to take off and land on short, damaged, or even highway runways reduces reliance on large, vulnerable air bases. The Gripen's advanced electronic warfare suite and data link capabilities would provide a significant upgrade for Ukrainian pilots. Saab's CEO expressed optimism about the possibility of Sweden eventually sending JAS-39 Gripen CD jets to Ukraine. Sweden has already donated spare parts intended for a future fleet of 14 such aircraft. Despite the suitability and Swedish willingness, there are political and practical considerations. The Gripen remains a strong candidate for Ukraine's future air force, potentially arriving after the initial integration of F-16s. Looking beyond the current Gripen EF, Sweden is actively exploring concepts for its next-generation air combat capabilities. Saab received an order from the Swedish government for conceptual studies on future fighter systems. These studies aim to define the technologies and operational concepts necessary for Sweden's air superiority in the decades to come. Saab has presented initial concepts, including a new crewed fighter aircraft and accompanying uncrewed aerial vehicles. The future path for Sweden's sixth-generation fighter program remains subject to strategic decisions and potential international collaboration. The strategic importance for Sweden of maintaining its advanced aerospace design and manufacturing capabilities cannot be overstated. The legacy of the Gripen will undoubtedly influence Sweden's approach to future air combat challenges. A primary reason for the Gripen's widespread praise is its remarkable cost-effectiveness. The Gripen offers a highly capable platform at a comparatively lower acquisition price. Its operational costs, including fuel, maintenance, and personnel, are significantly less than many of its competitors. The Gripen's adaptability and design for continuous upgrades are central to its success. Saab adopted a philosophy of incremental development and spiral upgrades from the outset. This ensures the Gripen remains a relevant and potent fighter throughout its long service life. Superior electronic warfare capabilities and sophisticated data links are further hallmarks of the Gripen. The Gripen EF features a highly advanced electronic warfare suite and state-of-the-art radar. The Gripen embodies the smart fighter concept, focusing on the intelligent application of advanced technology and superior situational awareness. Its design prioritizes the pilot's ability to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. The JAS-39 Gripen has fundamentally altered perceptions of what smaller nations can achieve in the highly competitive field of defense aerospace. Sweden's success with the Gripen program serves as an inspiration for other countries aspiring to develop their own advanced defense technologies. The Gripen has broken the mold, proving that innovation and efficiency can effectively challenge sheer scale in the defense market. For the nations that operate it, the Gripen provides a crucial competitive edge. Its multi-role capabilities mean that air forces can perform a wide range of missions with a single, adaptable platform. The continuous upgrade path ensures that their Gripen fleets remain at the forefront of technology. The future export potential for the Gripen, particularly the advanced EF variant, remains strong. The Gripen's lasting influence extends beyond its direct operational impact. It has reinforced Sweden's reputation as a hub of high-technology engineering and innovation. The lessons learned through the Gripen program will provide an invaluable foundation for future success.